Good morning. My name is Sandhya Raghavi. I'm currently pursuing my BTech fourth year at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh in Computer Science and Engineering stream, and my specialization is in Big Data and Analytics. Now I'll share my CV. I'm a final year CSE undergraduate SRM student. I'm a motivated individual with in-depth knowledge on development tools and languages, seeking a position in growth-oriented company where I can show my own skills to the scope of the development of my skills, and also it will become advantage to the company. This is my email ID, sandhyaraghavi_n@srmap.edu.in, and I'm from Vishakhapatnam. This is my contact number, and this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my GitHub profile, where I'll store all the projects which I have done. And this is Figma tool, where that is used for web designing. I'm more interested in web designing. I used Figma for web designing, for designing UI UX interfaces. And my education is SRM Institute. My CGPA is 8.5, and my intermediate is in Tirumala Junior College in Maths and Sciences, and my CGPA was 9.3. These are my projects. Netflix homepage clown. The first I'll say the input and output of those. Input is user interaction is limited as it is a static clown. However, during development, input may include like coding components to structure and styling of the website. The outputs will be the project generates a web page resembling the Netflix homepage, displaying the content segments similar to the actual Netflix web page. It outputs HTML and CSS files that can be rendered in the web browsers. Next, the main challenges I faced in this project are responsive design, ensuring seamlessly adaptability across diverse screen sizes and devices, accurate content replication, replicating content segments with precision, including images, text, and interactive elements, cross-browser compatibility, ensuring it can be opened in any type of browsers. Next, interactive element implementation, incorporate engaging elements like hover elements and clickable elements. And my second project is temperature converter. The input is the user will input either the Celsius value or Fahrenheit value. The temperature converter will convert Celsius value to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit value to Celsius. By clicking on the convert button, it triggers the conversion process. The output is the converted temperature value is displayed on the real time of the web page, providing intermediate feedback to the user. The main challenges faced here are user interface design, creating an impressive and visual appealing layout to enhance user experience, real-time conventional logic, implementing JavaScript logic for precise and instant temperature conversion. I used Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion formula and Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion formula in JavaScript. And input validation is ensures the user provided input is valid and handling potential errors or unexpected values. Cross-browsing elements, I should verify that it will be opened in any kind of browser. And CSS styling for visual appeal, designing the converter with the CSS to make it visually entertaining and user-friendly. Next, the tools here in these two projects I used are HTML, CSS. In temperature converter, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, library management system. I developed library management system like basic library management system using the C programming language. The user inputs a number of corresponding to the desired outputs for the provided menu. Outputs like we can add a book, delete a book, add a member, delete a member, update the finds that he is having, and you can also tell the delay, how much delay the book is given, how much like duration after he is giving the book, so that he can calculate the fines. Next, here the inputs are, here the input is you can add a book, delete a book, add an author, delete an author, add the book price, add the number of pages in the book. Is all you can do. And the outputs here are depending on the choice options, the programmer output information about books. This includes displaying list of books, authors, or a specific book details, and also the information of some specific book or the total number of books or the highest price of the book or any information of the book is given in the output. Next, the main challenges faced here are user input validation, ensuring the user input and valid and handling unexpected inputs. Memory management, properly managing the array of structures to avoid overflow. Next, searching and displaying logic, implementing algorithms to efficiently searching of a book by author or a name that is displayed in the information accurately. Next, avoid code redundancy, ensuring the code is structured efficiently to avoid duplications and make it maintainable. Next, handling floating point numbers. Working with floating point numbers requires attention to precision and potential rounding errors. Next, this is using C and using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I developed the web page where he can input a book, delete a book, add a member, delete a member, add finds. The librarian can do any type of this sort of things. And using PHP, I connected to using SQL and PHP, I connected this to the server so that he can access the data there. He can send all the data and store in the database. Next, my fifth project is movie recommendation system. Here, the input will be user behavior and preference data, including factors like genre preference, watch history, or ratings, etc. The output will be the system provides personalized movie recommendations based on the user historical behavior or some preferences. The main challenges faced here are data pre-processing, ensuring the data is cleaned, transformed, and prepared to approximately for analysis and modeling. Feature selection, identifying and selecting relevant features that influence movie preferences. Model tuning, fine tuning of logistic regression model to optimize its performance. Evaluation matrix, choosing appropriate matrix to evaluate the model's accuracy and effectiveness. Overfitting and underfitting, addressing issues related to overfitting and underfitting in the machine learning models. The technologies I used here are Python, Pandas, NumPy, and sklearn. Next, I have done a like web developer intern at Bharat Intern during the duration of 8th 2023 and 9th month 2023. And my achievements are like it is a web development internship where I got in hand experience on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where I worked on some projects and I got a certification in that as a web developer intern from Bharat Intern. Next, my skills are Python, C, C++, HTML, CSS, MySQL, JavaScript, data structures basics, and database management system, operating system, and OOPS, algorithms basics, and computer networks, UI, UX using Figma, and logical reasoning, time management, presentation skills, and Java is some basic, I know. And my achievements are NAPTEL course. I secured 100% in forest and their management course. And my certifications are in Power Platform Fundamentals in Microsoft during May 2023. And I'm certified in SQL, Python, and Python problem solving skills, UX developer skills from CodeChef. It is certified by CodeChef. And I'm also certified in HTML, CSS, JavaScript from Coursera and also CodeChef. And I also certified in MySQL basics, Python fundamentals from Great Learning. And I also certified in Python basics, Python problem solving, SQL basic, SQL problem solving, Java basic, Java problem solving skills from certified from HackerRank. And I'm also certified in Python from UV. And my languages are English, professional working English, and my native is Telugu. Thank you.